Hi everyone, this is Professor Real Estate, and today's topic is that education is the best gift to give and to get. Education is a really important gift to get. It's the ladder to success. People from all over the world can access education here in the United States of America, and they can change their whole destiny, their career options. If you've had the opportunity to get an education, there's a lot of people who've helped you on the way. So it's a really exciting thing for you to give back. You can give in many ways. You can give your time as a mentor, a guest lecturer. You can even donate some funds if you have them for a scholarship. So this holiday season, if you have an education, enjoy it. If you're thinking about getting more education, it's a great next step to take. And if you have the opportunity, make sure to give back and give towards education. It's a great gift. Happy holidays, Professor Real Estate, Suzanne Hollander.